All right, ladies and gentlemen, I am going to show how we get started on using our courses. In this case, I'm going to be using Hibbing Community College's webpage, where I also teach. I'm going to use College Algebra 1040-01 as my example. And right now I am in D2L. All right, this is my front page on D2L. You guys would have other classes. You wouldn't have just all math classes, but I do. So here we go. We're going to click on our class that we're going to go into. And if you take a look here, I have announcements. I have announcements, pretty much everything you're going to need to know, and everything you might want to know is probably going to be in the announcements. I very seldom send out emails unless there is some kind of change, or it's urgent that you get the information for some reason. So generally speaking, you will not be getting a lot of emails from me. You will be able to find out everything you need to know in the announcements section. Now, all right, we've taken a look at our announcements. We know what we need to know. All the announcements are up to date. Now we want to get to the materials. First of all, almost everything here is going to fall under materials and content. And I apologize that that got a little cut off. But it's under materials, content, all right? And most everything is going to be under there. I have all different kinds of modules. These are called modules with information inside of them. We have class notes, right? I have all of this information for class notes. We have a course outline. We have the syllabus. All of these things you can get to through materials, content. Now, to go on to do the assignments, right? Most everything is going to be in the My Math Lab section. So you get in here, you're in the module, you're going to go click on the My Math Lab, and it's going to give you a link here, Pearson My Lab and Mastering. This is normal. Go ahead and click this. And this will eventually be what you see every single time. You do have to have your access code to be able to log in. This will not generally be here. You'll have something where it says, you know, let's get your course started or something like that. And you click on it and then put in your access code. If you don't have an access code, or if there's a problem with your access code, it is possible to get up to 2 weeks for free. You need to do that. You would go scroll down to the very bottom of the page, and I'm actually going to go back to the announcements here so we can see it. I want to make sure that folks have the opportunity to take a look at that in the announcements here. This is what that page would look like. You would have your access code. You'd put that access code in here, where you can purchase using a credit card or PayPal or one of those. You can get different lengths of time. And if you're stuck in a place where you don't have the access code or can't get to it, or you need to get access to the work, but you don't have the means for whatever reason to have that access code working, down here there is this get temporary access without payment for 14 days. You can work with this software for 2 weeks without having to do anything in particular. Okay, I am going to stop this video here, and I'm going to post it. I will wind up doing another video for getting into D2L, getting into My Math Lab, and then being able to actually work with the assignments.